What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are finally going to be installing the camber arms on my BMW E90. I am super stoked about this guys because we are one step closer from getting my 3-piece BBS wheels on the car. So the plan for today is to just install the camber arms because I don't have the tires for the rear yet. I only got the front ones today. I think the other ones are scheduled to arrive like on Thursday or on Friday, or no, actually I think Wednesday or Thursday, one of those 2 days, which would be tomorrow if it's Wednesday. Anyways, the camber arms that I went with are Megan Racing's. I got these from eBay for about 230 bucks. That's where I found them the cheapest. As far as the quality goes, I'm not entirely sure myself obviously, but almost everybody suggested these to me, so I would assume these are probably like the best ones you could get. So I'm gonna install them right now and I'll take you guys along obviously and see how this install goes. So let's get this thing started. So to remove your stock one, you have one 18mm bolt right here on this side, and then you have another 18mm bolt on the other side, which has a nut on the other end, so you're gonna have to counter hold it with a box wrench like this. Alright guys, finally got that last bolt out of there, the one that has that nut secured on the back that you have to counter hold. It's a really tight space and you can't fit a breaker bar in there, so what I did is I got a small ratchet like this with an 18mm on it, and I used this metal tube to serve as my breaker bar, and that was the way I was able to take it out relatively easy. So use something like this and you won't even struggle that much. Alright guys, so just a quick update. We're working on the right hand side and it is a lot harder than I thought because it's a little bit different. So you got this like tube right here, which I have almost absolutely no idea what it is. Maybe something for the fuel tank. But so what we're gonna have to do is we're still gonna use the little tube trick with a ratchet, but we're gonna have to do it from underneath. So if you guys can look, camera's not focusing that well, but tube's right there. Ratchet's connected right there, and I have my box wrench to counter hold it, and I think it should work. So let's see. So that's about it for the install, guys. Hopefully you guys found this helpful, and I'm gonna be adjusting them very soon as I get my wheels on. It'll be like another video sometime, like maybe next week whenever I get my tires on my wheels, and then we'll go from right there, start eyeballing that fitment and try to get everything dialed in perfectly. If you guys found this helpful, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.
Boy, I need some downtime. Yeah. Roll up the weed. I was oppressed for some weeks, and I swear I need some downtime.